Understanding QR code payments, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very modern and increasingly popular topic, QR code payments. This is a concept that's becoming essential in our digital world, so let's dive in and understand what it's all about. First, let's talk about what a QR code is. QR stands for Quick Response. It's a type of barcode that can be scanned using a smartphone camera. Unlike traditional barcodes, which are lines and spaces, QR codes are made up of black squares arranged on a white square grid. They can store a lot of information, which is why they are so useful. Now, let's understand how QR code payments work. When you're ready to pay for something, the seller will show you a QR code. This could be on a screen, a bill, or even printed out. You then open your banking app or a payment app on your smartphone, select the option to pay with a QR code, and scan the code. The app reads the code, processes the payment information, and transfers the money from your account to the seller's account. It's quick and contactless. There are several advantages to using QR code payments. Contactless. You don't need to handle cash or cards. Convenient. It's fast and can be done with just your phone. Secure. Encrypted technology makes it safe to use. Universal. They are accepted by many merchants worldwide. QR code payments are used in various places, such as retail stores, restaurants, online shopping, bill payments, even for personal transactions between friends or family. We hope this video helped you understand QR code payments better. It's a technology that makes transactions faster, safer, and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.